Alright guys, what's happening? Today we got a quick tutorial on the account information within WHM. So basically if you go here to the main overview of your WHM, you're going to find account information right here in the overview, or you'll find it in the sidebar here with the list of all the submenu items. List accounts, park domains, subdomains, suspended accounts, show accounts, and view your bandwidth of your accounts. So we're just going to click in here to kind of give you guys a quick preview of these different things. Here you also have the submenu, as you see the submenu here. List accounts is probably actually the area you'll be going to the most when you go into WHM, because this basically will have every single one of your websites. Basically, this is an area where you're able to then port into your cPanels. As you see, all of these will actually port over and open up into your cPanel. So this guy's a list accounts, probably one of the most popular pages you'll be using besides creating accounts. List park domains. This is basically just an overview of all the domains that are within your account. You can kind of take a look through here, the emails, the cPanels, all the information for each account that is within your server. Subdomains, we don't have any, but if you did have a subdomain, you'd be able to see that information located here. Your suspended account, so basically say you have a customer that's not paying, or say you have a website you just don't want online, you can go here to suspended accounts, and this is a great way to just lock those accounts down so that they're not accessible on the web. Show accounts over quota. Basically, again, if you have a hosting type package and you see that your customer's package has been over their data limit, you'll go within this. You'll see that their bandwidth is over, which will then notify you here. In some cases, you can even shut it down if you necessarily want to. And then that goes to our last tab, which is basically just to view the bandwidth within all your accounts. So here we are with basically every account, but here's our main one. You can see it's large. It's almost 20 gigs of bandwidth. So you know, guys, this is just a good place to access your information. It's a good place to know how to navigate your way around your accounts, because again, these are basically where you're going to go to access everything on your server. So just a quick overview of the WHM accounts. Hope you guys enjoy it. Hope you have a good day.